Let's learn how to turn off notifications on Facebook. If you don't want to receive notifications from Facebook but don't know how to disable them, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. I will show you how to turn off push notifications and how to turn off all notifications. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app on your phone. When you open Facebook, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once Facebook is open, you'll be on the home screen, but you don't need to be there. You need to go to the menu screen, which opens when you click on the menu option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When that screen opens, you'll see a lot of options and you need to scroll down a bit. After scrolling, you need to click on the option Settings and Privacy. After clicking on that, a list of some options will appear below it. From the options that appeared, you need to click on the Settings option, which is the first on the list. When you click on the Settings option, a screen with more options will open. On that screen, you need to scroll down a bit. After scrolling, you need to click on the option Notifications, which has a bell icon next to it. When you click on that option, a screen with several options will open. On that screen, you need to enable the first option, which is Mute Push Notifications. After clicking that, a prompt will appear asking for how long you want to mute them. Choose the desired duration and that's it. You have successfully turned off push notifications. Now I'll show you how to turn off all notifications. The first thing you need to do is go to Settings. When the settings open, you need to scroll down until you find the Facebook app. Once you find Facebook, click on it. After that, a screen with several options will open. On that screen, you need to click on the option Notifications. Once you do that, a screen will open where you need to turn off the option Allow Notifications. And that's it. That's the second way. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.